machines?
No, so far they did not take this. So I'm trying to get the original manufacturer engineer to come and have a look again and show them all the response, what are the problems.
Okay. So at the moment, are they not
biomedical engineering?
No, biomedical science.
Science background.
She's doing medical laboratory technology. So what's your plan? So basically you are going to dismantle and show all the bolts and give us
Yeah, we will open and show.
Okay.
So what are the things, and also better to go with the manufacturer's engineer. So he is the one who knows each and every part.
Exactly, yeah.
So we can show everything, the movement of the C-arm, operation of the C-arm, how the image is processed. This kind of thing we can show.
Okay.
The printer, medical printer is
And
there.
this one is the monitor for this section, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There will be a cable, it will be connected to the system. See, that will go here.
Okay, this one C-arm you have and ultrasonic.
Ultrasound.
This one is
It is a software failure machine.
okay, so discarded basically.
They don't want to use, so I will take as
Anyways, you
still
want
it
to-
can on also. So I
Yeah,
think,
in order to give the training purposes, that's fine, sir.
yeah, that's fine for
this
that will come. Yeah, this is. So
Dialysis.
we will open and see this is dialysis machine. Precision, yes?
Working condition or?
No, it's all discard level, but we can show the pump, blood pump, and the chemical intake, how dismantling, how disinfecting, and all operational functions, the solenoids, etc.
And you have
Here, some patient monitors. These all working condition.
Oh, really?
Only problem is display.
The display is not showing anything.
It's a touch. No, display showing.
Okay.
The touch panel is not. So you can't operate it.
That one, of course, we cannot change.
Yeah. So the thing is, the manufacturers are not. They discontinued this 7100.
Oh, the series.
So they don't have spare part. So we are planning to do something open and see at least one by one and do something similar kind of display which is compatible. We can take this one and use it.
Today morning also I got a call from some kind of borrowed this thing, Nawaloka Hospital.
Yes.
It's a government also, right?